actually.
Yeah. Sure. So would I do it again? Yes. If I had the opportunity to do it at the time I did it. Would I start now?
Of course. Yeah.
No.
Right.
Insane.
Right. You'd be insane to start
The people now that are halfway through their builds should stop immediately and be thankful they're only halfway through.
Exactly. You raised money, pay the money back to the investors, walk away.
And I'm going to sound like an asshole, right? Which that's fine. I'm prepared. And I don't mean it condescendingly, and I don't mean it in a negative way. If you have if you have a plan, a clear plan, and let's say you've been a cultivator all your life, and this is what you want to do, and you have a way to make it happen. Fine. You're a operator. You're a retail operator, and you have you really understand the numbers and what you're going to do and all that kind of stuff. Fine. You're a manufacturer. You have manufacturing expertise. You understand what your cost of your inputs are. All that kind of stuff. Great. But, if you're a dentist and you think like this is still the modern day equivalent of, flipping a house in Wellesley, you're out of your mind.
Yeah. Doesn't make any sense. So would you keep, if you were to start even back, say like then, or maybe would adult use kind of flipped, would you still be vertical?
Yes.
Because you 100% margins are just way better because you own the whole.
Yeah, because I would. Yes, I think long-term success. Again, we have to determine how you're measuring success. But for us, long-term success is entirely dependent on controlling the process from start to finish and partnering. Right? We carry your products as well. Partnering with groups that do good work and fit into our menus. Right? But to be wholly dependent, you could say, well, right now might be a good time to just have a retail. And if somebody was asking what column, if I was going to start today, right? And we have the three sort of main pillars of cultivation, which is growing plants, manufacturing, which is processing the plant into,
finished goods.
Yeah, concentrates, vapes, edibles, or retail.
Yeah.
Then I would say retail. Right now is where I would.
Is there asterisk or caveat that it has to be the right location?
But the right location doesn't necessarily mean the same thing to everybody. Mm-hmm. But what I'll say is that may seem like it's a good thing right now, right? Because you have cultivators that are going out of business and offering products for below what it costs to manufacture them, and you can take advantage of that. Right, if you have cash and you can actually pay your bills, which very few people are capable of doing. But that's going to change, right? When we chase, when we condition people to just chase down to the bottom, and then a year later, their only options are the investor-backed MSOs, and then once they control essentially the entirety of the market, they're not going to keep their prices at that giveaway number, right? And there's not going to be significant competition to keep them in check.